Ladies, here we are. Black, how are we? Good. How long have you been black? How do we know each other here? Your cousin? Okay. What is your name? Okay, Porsche, let's lose that fucking attitude first off. Don't you patronize me with that fucking kitty cat voice. Does she hit the high notes? And where are we dancing? Next fucking up. Get on to the main stage, Porsche. Porsche, what do you do for a living? Honestly. Okay, we're done. You're the only person I've talked to that would sound like you would have to do like a. Okay, but where do you work, Porsche? A big four firm? Okay, what is? I've never heard of a four firm. The world's biggest accounting company, and there's only four of them. And you work for one of the big four. If I was a lawnmower, you just pulled my cord. Holy shit. I want to drop the mic and talk to you all night long. That sounds so fun. So there's only four major accounting firms, and you work for one of them. Holy shit. Fuck yeah. One of the big four. See, most people say, there's three top ones, but you say there's four, which means you're the fourth one.